Hey guys, welcome back. Have you ever seen those cool curves on oscilloscope? Do you want to make it? Today I'm going to show you step by step how to generate those curves. This curve actually called lissajous curves because it's first discovered by a French physicist back to 1857. These are famous curves. If today the oscilloscope I'm using is Rigol DS1202Z-E You can use any other oscilloscope, going to be the similar principle. First of all, you need a function generator. Luckily, oscilloscope does have a built-in function generator. They actually have two channels, channel 1 and channel 2, so I'm going to use both. I'm going to show all the way from beginning, from I turn on the oscilloscope. First of all, let's do a few initial setup, channel 1 and channel 2. So make sure it's DC coupling so I don't remove any component. The probe is 1x attenuation. Go to acquisition button here. Make sure you actually choosing the high resolution. Do not using any average or peak, just using the high resolution. Do the same thing for the channel 2. And now we're gonna initiate the source. Turn on the channel 1. And also we're gonna turn on signal generator from channel 2. It's about a 90-degree phase, so let's go to channel 2. Make sure it's also phase 0, 0 degree. Two curves just beautifully overlapped. If I slightly move down, the second step is let's go to the horizontal axis, go to menu. Instead of Y versus T, you're gonna go to X and Y. Adjust the time base a little bit more. Bingo. I think I like it for now. So you can see this is frequency channel 1, channel 2, 1:1 frequency ratio. The phase delay is 1. Now let's move on to a little bit more complicated. Let's go with 90 degree. See if we can generate a circle. Let's go back to the source. On the channel 2, instead of 0, I'm going to go with 90 degree. 90. Boom. I want to make it a little bit optimized. I'm going to increase this a little bit more for the y-axis on the channel 2. Increase this a little bit more. Boom, you got a beautiful circle. Now let's challenge ourselves. The third one, I want to go the ratios 1 versus 3 to get this a little bit complicated lissajous curves. And I'm going to set up the frequency to 3. Bingo, boom. It's exactly the same as this one, right? Okay, just be careful is the channel 1 is y-axis, the channel 2 is horizontal axis. So if I play with the frequency, you can see that's actually this one. Most people, especially if you're a researcher, you might gonna recognize this. MIT Lincoln Lab. They're actually using this logo. Let's see if we can make this as from the oscilloscope. 4 kilohertz. Now go back to this one. This one need to be XX should be 3. Almost there. Now make sure it's 90. Bingo! I got it. See, this is exactly the same thing. All right, guys. You can play more. You can pretty much duplicate every lissajous curve from this chart by setting the frequency and the phase delay. That's all the tricks. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye.